This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by Whitney Gillaspie. Beautiful custom home on number 1 tee of Southern Oaks Golf Course. Great, open floor plan with lovely views of the golf course. Awesome kitchen, with stainless appliances, large island, decorative lighting and beautiful cabinets. Private, downstairs master retreat with an additional 3 bedrooms, full bath, and half bath also down. Upstairs offers a huge bedroom, full bath, second living area with wet bar, media room and balcony. This home has so much to offer, including a large fenced backyard, tons of storage, 3-car garage, and so much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Whitney Gillaspie at 817-888-5785.